Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine staved off illness and death for over 95% of Israeli patients, according to government figures released Saturday from a report reviewed by multiple news outlets, encouraging news from the world's most heavily vaccinated country. 32.4%. That's the share of Israelis who are fully vaccinated as of Saturday, according to the New York Times tracker. The country ranks first in the world for vaccinations, compared to the United States' 5.1% immunization rate. Israel is leading the worldwide vaccination race, partly due to the country's small size, speed in buying up doses and comprehensive network of HMOs. The effort controversially doesn't include most residents of the West Bank and Gaza Strip. Public health authorities around the world are watching Israel's progress closely, making the country the planet's largest test case for the impact of mass vaccination. So far, experts say there's reason for cautious optimism. Cases and hospitalizations have declined for several weeks. Israel has a remarkable diminution in cases associated with the efficiency of their vaccine, U.S. infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci said Wednesday. Researchers are still studying whether new coronavirus mutations could blunt vaccines' effectiveness. Most drugmakers, including Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson and Johnson and Novavax, say their vaccine candidates are somewhat less effective at staving off the virus variant rapidly spreading in South Africa, though they still offer patients some protection. As a result, several companies are working on booster shots to combat emerging new strains. Buoyed by a high vaccination rate, Israel is planning a partial return to normalcy next week, but only for those who have been immunized. In the coming weeks, residents who have received both Pfizer shots will get access to gyms, restaurants and bars, while those who can't prove vaccination or prior COVID-19 infection will need to stay away from non-essential places. Pfizer COVID Vaccine Close to 99% effective in preventing death. Latest Israeli data shows Haaretz why Israel is leading the world in COVID vaccinations, and the U.S. is trailing Forbes.